77% win rate. I'd have to say that's pretty darn good. We have 17 trades in total, of which 4 are losses, as you can see. This is a combination of 2 different strategies. Katie's tutorials and trading pips. I married the 2 of them. They had a baby, and this is what it is. We have 15-second Heikenhashi candles, and we have a 5-second trade. Okay, and this is the stochastic. We changed it to be 1633 EMA, as you can see, and we also have CCI 15, and we have 2 different moving averages. Both of them are EMAs. One is 4, one is 17, and we have the parabolic SAR, the P-SAR. It is 0.028 and 0.28. As always, I have my 55 SMA. All right. So this is super, super simple. Let me see if I can go and find a situation so I can just show you how easy this is. I'm going to go find a trade and I will walk you through. But basically, after the cross and after the CCI and the stochastic are both down kind of near the danger zone, we're going to take a trade for 5 seconds, but you want to see that strong candle first, and it's immediately after the cross. So if this is the cross, we're going to take it on that very next candle. So let's go find a trade. Okay, let's take a look at this one. All of my trades have been sells, so we're going to have to see 5, 4, 3. See, but we're coming up on that SMA. Okay, let's hit it at 13, see what happens. And we got it. So you have to realize these are not 10-second candles. These are 15-second candles with a 5-second trade. Is definitely working. So now we have 18 trades and we have only lost 4. You can learn this entire thing on my Telegram channel. Come join me.